Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have some party wings right here, some okra, and some shrimp. This is what we have on the menu for today. Getting ready for them good sports. Basketball game, prize pick been treating the dude kind of good. And yes, I've been missing in action. Spent my Christmas sick. One of the little youngins gave me a cold. Caught the loss of a cold. You know, you got to pass it to somebody else to get well. But you know, it is what it is. So I've been missing in action, but I'm back now. I still have a little bit of it in me, a little cough, slight cough. But we working on getting it up out. Yeah. So this is what we having on the menu right here. We're about to fry these bad boys up. But before we start frying, you know, we got to let it marinate. So we're going to let it marinate in some pickle juice and our seasoning. Slap your mama, you know, paprika, garlic salt, in our bag. Okay, so here go our pickle juice. Boom. Shrimp. Boom. Okra. Our seasoning. Slap your mama seasoning. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons. One and a half tablespoon for the shrimp. A teaspoon for the okra. Well, yeah, a teaspoon. Garlic salt. Tablespoon and a half. Tablespoon. Teaspoon. The paprika, we're not gonna add that just yet. Okay, so that's how we looking. We're gonna toss these bad boys in the refrigerator for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so here we go right here. Nice and marinate. Now we're gonna, so what I did, I pat it dry so it won't be so wet. Now we're gonna season with our paprika. Give it that wonderful color. I'm gonna mix everything together. Yellow mustard. Give it a nice little coat so that season and our flour can stick. And no, you won't taste the mustard at all. Just call it mustard fried chicken. Alright, so I'm finna mix everything together. And we'll make our batter. Okay, so this is what we're using, cornstarch and all-purpose flour. So we're doing 1, 2 tablespoons. One cup. 2 cups. half a cup. Mix everything together, just like so. Our seasoning, just season it up to your liking. That's that good slap your mama seasoning. Garlic salt. There we go. And now I'm going to go ahead and drop everything in a Ziploc bag and give it a nice coat with our mix right here. And I'm going to let it sit in a Ziploc bag for about 10 minutes. Okay, so here we go right here. And it's time to start frying. Okay, we're gonna go get it all the way. We'll crowd the pan too much, so we'll get it in there. There we go right there. Move everything around. There we go. Now we're gonna let it fry. Okay, so that's how we looking. Look at that right there. Look at that, beautiful. That's the shrimp. Nice, beautiful fry. Now we just wait for the crunch. Chicken. Okra. You can't tell me that shrimp ain't looking beautiful. That's that mustard fried chicken and shrimp. Chicken right there. Okay, so here we go right here. Everything nice and done, fried. Now it's time to put this good food on a nice plate. Close this video and get ready for this game. Oh yeah, I hope my good family and friends had a good Merry Christmas out there too. Yes. And I will be tapping in with everybody. Yes, I will. Whatever videos I miss, I will be on them. Believe that. Okay, so here we go right here. Made it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. We have our mustard fried chicken, shrimp, okra. And here go my dip sauce right here. Jalapeno ketchup. Like a little spice to, you know, especially that fried food. But I done made it happen right here. And don't forget, hit that like button for me. Helping videos out. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Now I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice.